Now, you might be thinking right now, what are the advantages of learning how to type? Why should you learn how to type? What I can tell you right now is that there are a ton of different advantages to really being able to learn how to type properly, being able to type faster. And I'll just run through some of the things that I can just think of off the top of my head that I truly believe that's going to be able to really tell you really how important it is. And you probably even have some of these on the back of your mind as well. The first one I think of is just the amount of time that you can save. Now, if you're just kind of like poking around and whatnot, like a couple fingers or what on the keyboard, which I know a decent amount of people do if they've never been really taught how to type, that takes a lot of time in order to, say, maybe get a certain email out to a friend or maybe a message out. There's ways that it can be a lot quicker, and really being able to type efficiently and fast is really what I'm going to show you in this course, and being able to do that is going to help save you a lot of time in the process. So maybe instead of having to write a message that maybe would take you maybe an hour to write, maybe you could split that in half. I mean, it really depends person to person. Some might be able to do it faster than that. Some might be a little bit slower than that, say half an hour for an example. But what I can tell you is over time, as long as you keep practicing what I teach throughout this course, you will see improvements. And really that's what I found too. Just to kind of tell you, when I first got started, I was I was doing the poking thing too, having absolutely, really no idea what I'm doing kind of a thing. And my words per minute was easily under 20. And if you don't know what that is, don't worry, I'll be explaining that to you also in this course. But now what I can say is that I can type up to and even over 70 words per minute on certain different tests and stuff that I have taken, which just to tell you, obviously that's almost, triple what I've been able to do in the past when I first got started. What does that mean exactly? That means a huge amount of time is saved in the process. And another thing I just want to quickly share with you too within this specific lesson, this video, is that not only does it save you time, but it can potentially even maybe help you make more income during, say, depending on, what job you have. For an example, if you're, say, maybe a business owner, or you do it by, like, your business is by clients, and you need to be doing a certain amount of typing, or maybe you're a writer for an example, the quicker you get that stuff out, the more clients that you can have and the more income that you could potentially make. Now again, this totally varies person to person, but regardless, it's still incredibly valuable at the very least to save yourself more time. That way you can really type faster, and then because of that, then save time. If you have any questions at all, definitely please feel free to let me know, but I am really excited to get this course started and really show you what you need to know when you're really first getting started typing, and that way you can also become a great typer. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.